Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi, not Mimi, it's Mimi, and today I'm back with another video. And for today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I got this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. So first I need to part this part off because I'm doing a genie ponytail. I think that's what it's called. I haven't done this hairstyle in so long. But we're gonna start with the bag. And we're gonna wait to the front because we want our back to be sleek because I'm not flat ironing my hair. Hold on, I'll be back. Let me go get my products. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I already prepped my hair, like I put grease on it and stuff, so yeah. I changed my mind. I'm just gonna do a long braid. Yeah. But let's get started. First we need to alright, so I comb this out, so I'm just comb this upwards because I'm not flat ironing my hair. Start applying some gel. This is gonna be sleek. This hair gonna be sleek. Alright, so got gel. Upwards in an upward motion. Same to the top of my head. The hair I used was Bobby Boss hair, but you can just get any braiding hair at your local beauty supply. This is my first time doing this hairstyle, so I'll just learn it as I go. I ended up taking out this ponytail because it was just too bulky. So if you do this style to make it look more sleeker, I recommend flat ironing your hair. So now I'm putting my hair in the smallest bun possible because the first method wasn't working, so I'm trying a new method. So now I'm just braiding the hair. I'm braiding it separately, and then I connected a scrunchie on top of it so I can just attach it to my hair. So now I'm just adding in the curly hair. So I'm adding in the curly hair to give the end of the braid that wave that it has. So I'm adding hair as I go, but you want to make sure that you braid very loosely because you have to separate the hair and make it look looser to get that butterfly look. Okay, so as you can see, I'm adding more crinkly and wavy hair to the ends of the braid to give it that more wavy look, like I have tracks in, but I don't. And I took one of the strings after I was finished and I wrapped it around just to secure the hair so it doesn't unravel. After you finish braiding, you want to make sure that you spread the hair apart so it'll be able to fit on top of your bun, and make sure the bun is small as possible. I flipped my hair around because I had the curly strings coming out on one side and I wanted them to show, so I had to flip the hair around to achieve the look.
Okay.
The ruffles, we got some ruffles up in this thing. Alright, can somebody pass me the gold string? I'm putting the gold string on the top. Right there. So, I'll get back at y'all when I get the final look. Very cute, and then it just have the curly at the end. And yeah, and don't forget to share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you.